Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's find the password and security. Here we have to tap on the fingerprint, and as you can see, first of all we will have to set the lock screen password in case the fingerprint unlock cannot be used. So for example, when the fingerprint sensor stopped working. Of course, if you've got the lock screen currently set, you will just transfer to another step. Let me pick the pattern. And okay, so here we've got the information that if the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the password, and you have to remember it, because if you will forget it, then you will have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So remember about that. Let me draw my pattern. Okay, and right now we can finally start adding our fingerprint. So all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on this device on the right side, and basically do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. We'll try to catch every corner for better recognition, and as you can see, your device will remind you that you have to change the position of your finger. Okay, right now the edges. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint to this device, so let's tap on done. I don't want to use face unlock. And here, as you can see, we've got the fingerprint section. Here we've got our fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to, and add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the screen unlock, which is marked by default, but also app lock and private safe. You can decide whether you want to enter the home screen after unlocking, and the screen of unlock, light touch or firm touch, and I highly recommend to use the light touch. The only difference is that whenever you want to unlock your device, in the light touch you will simply have to put your finger on the sensor, and in the firm touch, so in the second option, you will have to put this finger and then press the button. So putting the finger is much easier, I would say. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your OnePlus Nord device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.